In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a text style in Figma. If your file is starting to feel cluttered, or you want clearer naming across your project, renaming a text style is a quick win. Let's start with the most direct way to do it. First, make sure nothing on your canvas is selected. Click on an empty area, or press the Escape key. This ensures you're working with your file's local styles, not a specific layer. Look over to the right sidebar and scroll to the Text Styles section under Local Styles. Find the style you want to rename and hover over it. You'll see a small edit icon appear next to the name. Click that to open the Edit Text Style modal. At the top of the dialog, change the name to whatever makes sense for your system, something descriptive and consistent with your naming conventions. When you're happy with it, click outside the modal or press Enter to save. The style is now renamed in the file, and any text layers using it will reflect the updated name without changing their appearance. There's also a handy alternative if you're already working with a text layer. Select any text layer that has a text style applied. In the right sidebar, under Typography, open the Style drop-down to see the list of available styles. Hover over the one you want to rename and click the edit icon that appears next to it. This opens the same modal as before. Update the name at the top and confirm. It's the same result, just accessed from the style picker while you're focused on a specific layer. A quick note on what renaming actually does. Changing the name only updates the label you see in your file. It doesn't alter the font, size, weight, or any other properties of the style. All text layers that reference this style will continue to be linked to it, and if you later adjust the style's properties, those layers will still receive the updates as expected. If the text style lives in a team library, you'll need to open the original library file to make the rename there. After you change the name, publish the update so other files can receive it. Consumers of the library will then be able to pull the renamed style without breaking any existing connections. That's all there is to it. Two simple ways to keep your text styles clean and understandable while preserving the relationship to every layer that uses them.